Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Guys, do you know that there are lots of Photoshop features that you don't make use of, but you leave them here and they'll be obstructing you while you are working? So today I want to be showing you how I arrange my workspace, my workspace, then show you how you can also save this workspace for future use. And whenever you reset your Photoshop, you can always come here and apply the workspace here. Like this one is mine, I can apply it here. All right, so my name is Jenik from Jenik Photography. So I will start by explaining why my workflow is like this. All right, so first I have my history here. I work a lot with my history. Whenever I'm working and I feel like going back, I can just come here and click and go back. So that is why I always keep my history active here. Then when you look here, you see my adjustment. So whenever you want to apply any adjustment to your workflow, like you see your brightness and contrast, you see your hue and saturation, just like that. Any adjustment you want to make use of, they are all here. So I keep it here. Then and my layers, only these three. I keep only these three here because I work with only these three. So a lot of persons, they would as they want to click on history, they will see histogram, they will see this, they will see that, they will see parts and all that. So you don't make use of them. So why do you leave them open and they will be obstructing you from seeing the features you make use of? So today I'll be showing you how you can create your own workflow and your own workspace, and also how you can save it. Okay, so I want to reset this Photoshop workspace now to the default. So this is the default Photoshop workspace. Okay, so now if you're a graphic designer, a photographer, whatever thing you do with Photoshop, you just need to customize your own workspace. So now I'm a photographer. I would click on this workspace and reset it to photography. Okay, so I've reset it to photography. This is the default photography workspace. Okay, so what I will start by doing is number one, I will drag this my tools to my right hand side. Why I do it that way? Because I do most of I apply most of my actions, most of my tools here, so my layers and all that. So that is why I keep it to my right hand side. Okay, so I would save myself the stress of dragging to this side again, coming back here, drag to this side. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so now what I will do next now is all these features, I don't make use of them. So why do I need to keep them? I'll bring them out here. This one, what's this one? Info. I don't need it. I'll close it down. So if you know you make use of them, don't close it, just arrange them here. So I'll close this one. I don't make use of it. I'll close this one also. So this navigation, okay, some persons make use of it, so you can leave it, but for me I don't make use of it, so let me just close it down. Okay, then I'll bring out my history. I'll drop my history, sorry. I'll come here. Okay, so I'll drop my history here. Okay, so then I'll take off my histogram. I don't make use of it, so I'll take it down. My libraries, I'll remove it. Then I have my adjustments, I have my layers, I have my history. So these channels, I don't make use of it. I will close it down. Just wait and see how you can save this workspace. Okay, don't skip any part of this video. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll adjust it to, so you see I can see all my adjustments here. So then my history will be lined up here, then while my layers will be lined up here. So this is basically how I do it. Okay, let me check this. These are my actions. I don't like my actions being there. I will take it off. I will drop it this way. Okay, because I use actions once in a while as I'm retouching. Okay, then what I bring out again is my extensions, my retouch panels. My retouch panel, I would bring it out, then I'll drop it here. All right, so this is how I set up my workspace. So having it like this, if there are other features that you want to work with that is not there, you can just click on it. Let's say color. If you know you work with color a lot, so you can actually arrange it here. Okay, let me drop it here like this, so you can just keep it here, hide it, open it anytime you want to make it. If you see this one, you can just do your thing, but make sure you arrange it in a way that it's very easy for you to locate. Okay, so now what I want to show you now is how you can save this workspace. How you can save it. So if you want to save this workspace, just come to your Windows, go to your workspace, and come to this place, see new workspace. Okay, it's as simple as that. So what we'll do, we'll just name it here now. Let's say my workspace. All right, sorry, my workspace. Okay, so this is my workspace. I will say save. Okay, so now whenever I click on this list and I reset to essential, I can just come back here and click on workspace and click on my workspace. Automatically it will reset back to your own workspace, the one you created by yourself. Okay, so this is how you can create your workspace, customize your own workspace, and save it. So if you learned something new from this video, kindly click on your thumbs up button, share, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Have a wonderful day. Peace.